Hey folks, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Unmasked. Today, I need your help. I need to ask you a favor. Well, I have 5 children. My oldest child is really close to being able to drive. A requirement I have for them is to be able to save up enough money to pay a deductible should they get in an accident. Because unfortunately, many teenagers, when they first start driving, get into an accident much sooner than they anticipate. So, having said that, I don't pay my kids very much money at all to do chores around the house. Matter of fact, I don't pay them to do chores. It has to be something extra that they do around the house. Maybe it's weeding a flower bed or something like that. And even then, I don't pay them very much. So, with that kind of background, this is what I've come up with, and this is where I need your help. I want my daughter to write 10 research papers, and I will pay her $50 a piece for each research paper. Now, those $50 are going to go into a savings account so that in the case of an accident, I have a deductible to be able to cover the cost of the vehicle getting repaired. That's my requirement. Because she doesn't have any way of making money, no really easy way of making money, this is a way that I felt would feel like a lot of money to her all at once, but also something very doable for her. The research papers, I want them to be about 2,500 words or more, so about 2 cents per word or more. 2 cents per word, but $50 per paper. These 10 papers, I need your help on the topics of these papers. I want to pass wisdom down to my child. So this is what I've come up with. I have these questions that I want her to answer. And the questions are questions like this. What is a FICO score? Do you need one? And if you do need a good one, how do you get a good one? Or which is better, to rent or to buy when it comes to buying a house? I want questions like, what is the STAR technique in interviewing? That way, she's learning things not just about money, but how to get a job, how to take care of herself, how to be self-sufficient so that when she goes out on her own, she'll be able to take care of herself. And so these are general questions that I think require some understanding, require some research, and are going to grow wisdom for her. And you guys, you range in age as far as my audience goes, anywhere between usually about 16 years old all the way up to about 65. And I know there are things that I haven't learned that some of you have learned. Maybe there's many things that I have learned that you haven't. I've done a lot of real estate investment. I've done stock investments. I want my kid to know about compound interest. I want her to understand that going into debt is not a good thing in most circumstances, but is okay in other circumstances. So please, in the comment section below, write down what are the things that you think your child should know before they go out into the world. What are lessons that if they research now, they'd be better off than waiting until they're learning it from the School of Hard Knocks? Please do me that favor. And I have a list of 10 things already, but I want to amend the list should something you guys say pop up that is a better idea than what I have. In the end, what I want to do is take these research papers and then have my daughter present them to you. So $50 is per research paper in the paper form, but also in a presentation form to you, my community, because the words of wisdom that she will learn are not just for her, but for you too, and for your children for that matter. So please comment down below. Let me know what questions you have or what questions you would want to teach, you'd want your children to research so they could learn wisdom, to be ready for the world. And if you like this idea, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't, give me the thumbs down. It's not going to hurt my feelings. And subscribe to my channel so that whenever she does present, you'll be able to see what she came up with. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.